Dreaming of exploring cobblestone streets or soaking up the sun on a Mediterranean beach? Staying connected with your Airtel SIM in Europe is easier than you think, ensuring seamless communication throughout your entire adventure. First things first, before you even leave home, check with Airtel to see if your current plan includes international roaming or if you need to activate a specific international roaming package. Visit the Airtel website or contact their customer care for the most up-to-date information on available plans and their coverage in European countries. Once you arrive in Europe, safely eject your home SIM card and insert your Airtel SIM. Your phone should automatically detect the network and prompt you to activate roaming. If it doesn't, head into your phone settings. Look for mobile networks or cellular and ensure data roaming is switched on. You might also need to manually select the Airtel network if automatic network selection doesn't occur. Now, let's talk about staying connected. Airtel offers various international roaming packages tailored for data, calls, and texts within Europe. These packages can be a cost-effective way to manage your spending. Be sure to choose a plan that aligns with your expected usage. You can typically purchase or activate these plans through the Airtel app or by dialing specific USSD codes, which will be provided by Airtel. To manage your usage and avoid surprise bills, regularly check your data consumption and remaining allowances through the Airtel app or by calling their customer service. Many plans offer unlimited or generous data allowances for browsing, maps, and social media, allowing you to share your experiences in real time. With your Airtel SIM active and a roaming plan in place, you're all set to navigate Europe with ease. From booking tour and finding hidden gems to staying in touch with loved ones back home, travel smart. Stay connected.